Hey guys, so here we have the Elec power bank that I've unboxed for you in the beginning of the video. Get it? So as I said before, I've done a previous video. This is just like a kind of refresh video for me to just get this power bank and use for my own personal usage, unlike before. As I've got the previous one, as I did the previous one, it was also a good power bank. But I just decided to get this one as well because I saw many comments like this comment and this comment, many people aiming that I should unbox this power bank, and I really appreciate you guys for giving me that aid to unbox this power bank. And shout out to you guys as well. State your names on the links on the screen. I really appreciate that. So I got this one as well on Jumia, but fortunately for me, as I got this, it doesn't show any percentage, and I don't really want to charge that now. I pray and I wish I could do a video for you guys after I've charged it for you guys to see. It also has the same specification as the previous one. For those that haven't watched the video, make sure you like, comment and subscribe. This one just has a micro USB port here. It also has a normal Type-C port here for charging and the USB. It also has a very good output for outputting voltage and high voltage as well. Pardon me if I'm taking this kind of a low tune because I have some visitors around. I don't want to cause any harm or any interruptions. So I'm going to try as much as possible to charge this to full percentage. So make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe. There's more of this power bank as well. I've given you most examples. It's not really that much of specs, just 20,000 mAh. Added more mAh and more lifetime and lifespan to the power bank itself. I think I have some other specs, like it also came with this as well, like the regular user manual that came with the first one. Was a little paper, but I think the casing is different. Like you saw in the beginning, the casing is a little bit different. So that's that for that. We have the Elec power bank. Let me just read out the specs for you in case. So this reads as a P2W model. The capacity is 20,000 mAh. Its rated energy is 74 watts and 3.37 volts. I think the previous one was 34 watts. I can't remember. Maybe it's also 74. That's it. You can watch the video right here for those that haven't watched it. The first unboxing of the Elec 20000mAh. For those that haven't seen, it's right here. USB output DC 5 volts 2.1A. USB output DC 5 volts 2.5 for both of them, similar to the other one. So you also have the Type-C output DC 5 volts 2.4A max. That's out for that. So thank you guys for watching. It's Elec power bank 20,000 mAh. Tuning out.